guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my tutorials. During my today's tutorials, short tutorials actually, I will teach you how to use Procreate in a very simple way, how to ease your painting process and how to turn your paintings into even more beautiful paintings. I hope you're ready. If so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil and let's paint together. Hi guys, hello everyone! During our today's short tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to animate this lovely cat in Procreate, and that's so simple. So we're gonna make this cat jump and move its tail. So let's get started. And guys, keep in mind, I made just one layer visible, you see, with the cat, the rest are not visible. So how to start our animation process? We need to go to Action button, after that go to Canvas and tap Animation Assist. Ta-da! And as you might see, we have just one slide, one frame, this is here. And if you duplicate the layer, ta-da! We already have two frames. So let's move our second cat a little bit higher. Yeah, and speaking about settings, I want to tell you that frames per second, this is the speed with the speed cat is moving, and onion skin per frames. And onion skin opacity. What is onion skin? For example, when we move our cat, like we go to the first frame and you see this like half transparent, semi-transparent line. This is the second cat, and now this cat is not selected, that's why it's not that bright. But if you move the cat, if you move to the second frame, you see the cat, the second cat now is more visible and the first one is semi-transparent. That's called onion skin, because we need to see what is going on. So we are on a second layer, this one, and I will rename it and I'll write 2 because this is the second slide, second frame, and we already made our cat jump, and now I want to move tail a little bit. How I will do it? I will go to the selection tool, select the tip of the tail and grab transform tool, and I will move it slightly, I will tilt it and try to connect this part. Okay, now let's duplicate the second layer. And we will also tilt the tail even more. Okay, great. Now let's create fourth layer, rename it. Write 4, and let's set the cat a little bit higher, like this. And same, we're gonna tilt the tail even more. Okay, great. And the last one. Set the cat, selection tool, move it a little bit. Done! So now I'll show you. And as you might see guys, we need to make this animation more smooth, because as for me this is very like rough. And what I will do now, I will rename it. And I'll set it as a 5. After that, I will duplicate the 5th slide, the 5th frame, and it will help me to, like give extra second for the cat to stay on the top. And after that, I will try to invert slides. So I will move the slide number 4 on the top. After that, slide number 3, number 2, and the first one. And now let's try to play again. You see, now cat is very smooth, it looks very solid, and the composition is finished. So as you may see, this is our cat. If you want, you can make it faster. You see, if I increase the frames per second from 4 till 9, you see the cat will be very, very fast. So play again. I think 6 frames would be better. Play again, play, yeah, like this. And guys, next step, if you want to export your animation, we will go and tap, we don't need animation assist anymore, we will turn it off, tap share and go and tap share layers. And here you need to tap animated GIF. Next one. My cat is not transparent, so that's why you can set transparent background. And as you see, the cat will be not transparent, but the background around the cat will be transparent. You might save it and in max resolution, so that means the quality will be very good. And use it, I don't know, at Canva or any other websites. Maybe you can make your own stickers and post it in Giphy. Whatever you like. So this is up to you. And as you see, estimated size is 43, but it will be smaller, not that much. And after, you need to tap export and export to, I don't know, like files or anywhere you want to save it. Well guys, since this is the end of our class, I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial and now you know more about animation and Procreate, and I hope now you see this is not difficult at all. It would be very cool if you could share with me your own animation on Instagram. Just simply tag me and I will give you my own feedback. And let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!